This is all about investments. If you guys haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. I just want to do a quick recap for January 19th. First stock was actually a buyout, so we'll be trading that one. ZGNX. Yeah, see, it's a buyout. But just, by the time you even realize that it got bought out, it just kind of stays there and looks all boring for everybody. That's it. SBEV. Okay. This, I believe, Splash Beverage. This is the one we've been talking about. They just got into the shelves in Walmart in Florida, and they just came out with another headline, and they got on the shelf on another, like Ralph Grocery, another grocery store. I'm not sure where they're at, but yeah. So it actually went even higher than it had, a couple days prior. That's I mean, it's been high before, so I mean, I guess there's room for a continuation. I really don't know what to expect of it. Yeah, there we are. Still on yesterday's chart. Yeah, so I guess it's a. And if this was, all just the pre-market chart today was yes, there was, tomorrow morning, I'd say it's pulled back quite a bit. But we'll see. It might surprise us. Okay, VVOS. They think they something with their sleep image technology. Yeah. Announces 18 time increase in sleep apnea diagnosed testing by using sleep image technology. But, so I guess they just did the study themselves. I'm not seeing. I'm not sure how that is. Okay, so it popped up to 285 free market, and it came just about all the way back down. But we got some sympathy momentum off that spike. It ended up eventually moving back up to 260. So yeah, hopefully, it held VWAP pretty well until till the afternoon when most of everybody got home for the day anyway. So yeah, hopefully we made some money off that one. SoFi. They This is sort of a high float stock. They got approved to be, I guess, to operate as a bank, which I guess for a financial company, I don't know what other catalyst that just goes off for everybody getting excited and talking about it. That would that I couldn't think of a better catalyst for them. Because I know a lot of times this sector tends to not be the best. I find it not to be the best for day trading. I feel like everybody, the type of traders are like they really read all the reports and they kind of more or less so seem to have like a dollar, like they seem to have in their head like the dollar amount that the company is worth. This is actually I'm finding this being pretty volatile for this type of stock. I think don't we have a for some reason I feel like I've seen an app with them or something. Like maybe there's something on like Play Store or something you download. Maybe I'm thinking of something else. Anyway, I'm surprised. I'm surprised they have as much volatility as they do. But anyway, yeah, it's sort of it sort of dropped into everybody this morning. I didn't see that. Oh, this is the 5 minute chart. Back it up here. So, yeah, it was kind of a nasty fall there. And so I don't like just put trade the first 5 minutes. So anyway, okay, it's SOFI. See, PIXY. I had a nice little uptrend here. I haven't seen any news on it. Uh, let's see. I mean, it looks like it wants to go higher to me. Here it's almost 8 o'clock here. However, I mean, I'm looking at the daily chart, and it also just seems to spike up to that 200 moving average, and then like just fall right back off of it. I mean, it seems to. I mean, are we double topping here? Okay, so we just broke above that high there. We tapped the 200, and then it rejected. I mean, it could break up continue to break up over the 200. I mean that is what it looks like. However, I mean it's just a long history of like it just sort of it just doesn't seem to like to be on top of it for some reason. I mean it did it back here in 2018, and still I mean it didn't hold. I mean still it just really rejects it. You know. Okay, all right, so that's yeah, and I mean with no news. I mean anytime you trade anything with no news, it carries higher risk. But yeah, I guess that's my opinion. I think it might. It's possible that it might spike, but I wouldn't expect it to hold. Okay, BKKT. Okay, okay, nice little spike here. It looked like this is another one. Yeah, that I might have jumped in thinking it might, try and test this pre-market high and break above it, but it just rejected it. So after, and then that was pretty much the end of. That was pretty much all the excitement of that one. Yeah, so that one was kind of like the other one we looked at earlier. And I'm thinking the only other one I'm seeing, uh, IMTE. Yeah, this one's kind of like PIXY, where it puts in these, it has these days where it just goes parabolic, and then it can drop just as fast. Like look at that drop there. That's all just one single day. All the way to from like the like $5 to 13 and all the way back down. Now this actually, even in this has just been stair stepping up for a while now, like a week or two. Um, I don't know. I feel like it's eventually going to crash. I mean, it just kind of you know. So yeah, yeah. This is all my investments. Yeah, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys back out tomorrow. All right, thank you, everybody.